ever told yourself, this time I'm sticking to it? Gym stopped after a week. Waking up early lasted 3 days. New habit dead before it even started. Don't worry, you're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just stuck in a cycle that almost everyone falls into, especially in your 20s and 30s, when life feels like a mess of responsibilities, self-doubt, and pressure to have it all figured out. But what if I told you that staying consistent isn't about being more disciplined? It's about changing how you approach it. Today, I'll break down why staying consistent feels impossible, and more importantly, how to make it stupidly easy. Let's go. Journal daily. Start with one sentence. Want to work out? Do 5 minutes. Want to read more? Read 1 page. Sounds too easy? That's the point. Once you start, momentum takes over. And if it doesn't, that's fine. You still showed up. You still won. This is called the minimum viable effort, the smallest possible version of the habit. It tricks your brain into saying, yeah, I can do that. And once you start, you usually keep going. Here's the real game changer. Don't just act like the person you want to be. Become them. It's not about forcing discipline every day. It's about shifting your identity. Instead of saying, I want to be fit, say, I'm the kind of person who works out. That tiny shift makes everything easier because your brain starts aligning with that identity and your actions follow. Every time you show up, even for 5 minutes, you're proving that identity to yourself. And the more you prove it, the easier it becomes. So let's recap. Motivation fades. Build systems. Ditch the all or nothing trap. Lower the bar and make it stupid easy. Focus on identity, not just action. Consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about making it easy enough that you can't fail. And once it's easy, it becomes a habit. And once it's a habit, it's automatic. If this hit home, let me know in the comments. What's one habit you've been struggling to stay consistent with? Let's build a community of people who get back up, even when it's messy. Hit that like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more no-fluff, self-growth content, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay real, stay consistent.